What's up, guys? Paul Perez here, Texas Family Roofing, and today I'm with Erik Villarreal, and we are going to show you how to do a proper roof inspection on this house right here. Let's get started.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to do a proper roof inspection. What we're going to do is we're going to walk the outer perimeter of the home, and then we're going to go up top and see what's going on up there on the roof. Let's show you what we're going to do. Follow me. So we're gonna get up here on the roof. We got our ladder set up. We're gonna do a perimeter walk and do just basically a general inspection, seeing what's going on the fascia, the soffit, if there's any damaged, rotten areas here. We're gonna walk around the whole house, and we're gonna get an idea of what's going on the roof before we even step up on the roof. Check all that for solid and see if anything's rotten. That'll give you indication that there's some issues up on the roof. We're gonna also wanna know on these extended patio covers what we're walking on. So we're gonna inspect underneath here, seeing if there's any damaged areas that we should avoid when we're walking up there. All right, so checking everything. We'll check the soft metals, see if there's any kind of indications that some hail hit the area. Checking your window screens, seeing if there's anything here other than, of course, you see some handprints, but no damage to the screens themselves or the frames that are often the first to get struck by the hail. So now that we've walked around the perimeter, let's go up top. All right, so now we're up on the roof. And right away, like flashing red beacons in the sky, you have indications of, let's just call it, not superior repairs. It even looks like, at first glance, we're gonna do a little investigation, they tarred up the previous hail hits, which is, I mean, I've never seen that before. So, what we're gonna do is, now this roof does not have a chimney. It does not have any skylights, so we're not gonna be able to show you how we would inspect those, but it has every other component. So we're gonna check all the vents here. Let me show you what we're looking for. So here, you're gonna see previous repairs, whether they were repairs or maintenance, where they sealed up or attempted to seal up the nail heads. Now here, I can already tell you they used the wrong material to seal these up. This is not what you want to use to seal up these nail.
Flex seal, right?
Yeah, it's like spray can, Flex Seal, something like that. This is not waterproofing. You want to use a polyurethane sealant that you can buy from an actual supply center, not Home Depot. So other than that, that looks okay. You know, we also feel the decking below the, now these granules are a little slick, so make sure that that's solid, because if it was rotten, you would definitely feel it. So whether or not that's leaking or not, but I can definitely tell you that that is not sealed properly. Now I can see someone else has been up here, maybe an insurance adjuster. You have markings up there. There around the pipe, I mean, the pipe is caved in and they just sealed around there with, again, Flex Seal. Around these nails, they put some more, just smeared it on like butter. This pipe, I mean, I can guarantee you this pipe is leaking. It looks like it might even be a new pipe because, for one, all the other pipes, if you notice, are painted, and this one is not. So maybe they thought the pipe was leaking. They called a plumber. Plumber replaced the pipe and did shoddy work on the boot. Not even replacing the boot, they reused the old boot. So there you go, some big red flags. Not even on the roof. Some of the things that we look at is what is over the roof. Here, if you pan to the back, you'll see that the overgrowth of the tree is encroaching on the roof line, anytime you get some little gust of winds like these fronts that have been blowing through, that's going to rub on those shingles and wear them prematurely, causing the roof to age even faster. So that's going to do some unnecessary wear and tear on your roof. Now, here we have some Egyptian writing from an insurance adjuster. So this tells you right off the bat, if you're coming up here, that you're not the first one up on the roof. Whether it's another insurance adjuster or a roofer for that matter. Now here, they looks like they have 38, 18, 69, 9 point something. I'm not sure what this means. Maybe it's some written code for I don't know what, but I can guarantee you that someone else has been on this roof. They also marked this vent. So they're showing that this vent has been damaged, whether it's by hail or wind blew off and uprooted the nails. I couldn't tell you. Also, if you look at if you just get an overview of the roof, you can see a shimmer, and that's the fiberglass reflecting off the sun. That's showing you a pretty good sign that this roof has pretty much expired and reached the end of its life. I know just from walking on it on that side versus this side where the sun is constantly beating down, it's a little more slick. So that's pretty much what we're going to look for. We're going to look for the penetrations. That's going to be your number one area of leaks. If this one had a chimney, we would be inspecting the chimney, skylights, and then we're going to be looking in the field. And you see all these black dots, and those are all from the hail that the previous repairman came and did a repair job on. So guarantee you those are going to leak. Those are not sealing off the roof. So pretty much what we're going to find in conclusion to this roof inspection in particular is this roof is done. It's kaput. So you're going to want to have an estimate for a full roof replacement, a full roof system. The other thing, just wrapping up this video here, is you're going to want to take a look around the neighborhood and see, like right directly here, we have wind-blown shingles. You can see the hail splatter. And then right next door to that house, you can see they replaced that roof recently. Across the street, we have wind-blown shingles, another brand new roof. So roofs have been affected in this area, in this neighborhood. They're being replaced. That's a good indication that your home may be affected as well. So if you're a roofer and you want to learn more about roofing, or you're a homeowner and you just want to know what's protecting you from the outside, click on this link over here, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see even more great videos. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.